Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Snapchat video. So I'm in Snapchat camera. Let's make a video and make sure your video is less than 10 seconds because this feature is only available for video less than 10 seconds. So let's make a video. Okay, let me mute the video. Okay, now at the right side you will see this music button. Tap there and you will see some music. Choose the music you want to add to your video. Okay, so now at the bottom of the screen you can scroll and you can choose 10 seconds of the song. Once you are done, hit the check button at the right side bottom corner and you are done. Now this is the music sticker. Drag, you can zoom in, zoom out to change the size of the sticker. Once you are done with the positioning, hit the send button and you are ready to share it to your story. So that's it guys. Likewise you can add music to your Snapchat video. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.